Hi.
You got
Ryan.
it? Everybody hear it?
Hi.
Okay, Aaron, what about you over here, buddy? Can
Hi,
you say
guys.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
All right. That's good. Okay, we got the sound part worked out. Let's see if we can sing a song. All right, brand new #1 in America this week. Brand new hit from a guy named Chris Jansen, everybody. It's called Buy Me a Boat. Let's do this thing. What's up? All right, let's do this thing. All right, here we go. Come on, Nancy, you got a lick for me, honey? Great job, buddy.